Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create cutout sticker not showing on your Instagram. So first, the thing to do, you had to update your Instagram app by go to the Play Store or App Store. You can search on Instagram and please update your Instagram by tap update button. So let the Instagram updates the app first. The latest version is about 64 megabyte. Please wait the process. Now the update is done. Now you can open. And after you open your Instagram, try to create your own story. Here, you can tap on sticker at the top of your screen beside the fonts. And here we go. There are some features that you can try. For example, the cutout stickers. This one. You can tap cutouts and now you can create your cutout stickers. And try to creating a stickers automatically. And if the Instagram cannot find the object, try to do it manually by tap on some place. And here we go. As you can see, I got my stickers. By tap on use stickers, your sticker is ready to use. And also you can use a cutout sticker from someone post or from some official post, blue tick post. Now you can tap three dot at the top of the post or feed and try to search create a cutout sticker and tap it. Now let the process begin automatically. You can do it manually later. And this is the sticker made by the app. Or you can select manually by tap select manually. Continue tapping until you complete capture your object. For the best result, only select a single object. For example, this ball. Now this is the sticker. You can save it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the button below. See you in the next video.